Unit 29, Part A, Activity 5A. Listen to these people talking about their jobs and fill in the gaps.
1. Hi, I'm Malika. I'm a librarian at AB University. My daily tasks are to tidy the library, put the books back on the shelves, and check out books for students to borrow. Occasionally, I have to find new online resources for the library's website and arrange events for students to attend as well.
2. My name is Van. Being a hairstylist is harder than you think. Normally, I have to come up with new hairstyles, cut or dye the customer's hair, and style them for important events like weddings. Sometimes, my customers ask me to find some good hair products like shampoo and conditioner to fix hair problems.
Unit 29, Part B, Activity 2C. Listen to the full conversation and check your answers. Which position does Jenny want to apply for?
Professor, can I talk to you for a bit?
Yes, come in. What can I help you with?
My name is Jenny. I'm interested in these two positions that I found in the Students magazine, and I want to know more, but I don't want to call them yet. My friend told me to come and consult with you instead.
Aw, no worries. You're not the first student who has approached me about this. Which posts are you interested in?
I'm deciding between barista and administrative assistant.
Let me take a look at the adverts. Since you're a new student, you might not know much about our university's dormitory and its system yet, so you shouldn't apply for this post this year.
Okay, that makes sense. What about the position as a barista?
Can you handle these duties?
Yes, I'm confident that I can complete my duties properly.
That's wonderful to hear. But you should know that these aren't everything. There will be some extra tasks you might need to do, such as getting ingredients, ringing up customers, etc.
Why don't they list them on the advert?
In my opinion, they will let you know during the interview process, since the extra tasks are things that you only need to do occasionally. Oh, this point is interesting. Can you multitask? Like do a few things at once?
I'm not very good at it yet, but I can learn.
It may be hard at first. You might also feel overwhelmed when that happens. So remember to stay calm and do the important ones first.
Yes, I understand.
Do you have any personal qualities that you're proud of?
If you're asking about my characteristics, then I have to say that I'm very outgoing and hardworking, which is why I believe I can handle these duties.
Your qualities are just right for working in customer service. Employers usually keep an eye out for these qualities.
Professor, I don't have any experience working as a barista. Can I still apply?
Of course. Desirable requirements are just something that will make you stand out. But if you don't have them, they'll still consider you.
I was so worried.
Don't be. Also, you need to show them that you're motivated to learn new things so that they know you won't slack off when they teach you. One thing I'm concerned about is this point. Can you take on different shifts?
I'm not too sure either, but I will discuss with them if they call me for an interview.
Yes, you can negotiate with them about things that you can't do. Are you aware of the disadvantages of working part-time as a scholarship student?
I know, I will have less time studying. However, I think I can manage it. Anyway, thank you for your time, Professor. I have to get to class now.
All right. Be safe and good luck, Chani.
Unit 30, Part A, Activity 2. Jenny is talking to her classmate, Jen, about her interest in applying for a part-time job. Listen and fill in the gaps with the words you hear.
Hey, Jenny, what are you working on?
Oh, hey, Jen. I'm drafting a cover letter, but I feel like it's not going anywhere. I've never written one, so I'm a little lost on what I should include.
You're applying for that part-time barista position you told me about. Cool. Well, I've done once or twice before, just simple ones for students like us. I'm not great at it, but I can definitely share what I know.
Yes, it's the barista position, and it'd be great if you can share it with me, Jen. Thank you.
No worries. So, in the cover letter, we write the date in the top corner. We often put the name of the person who is going to read our cover letter, but sometimes they have the name in the advertisement, but sometimes they don't. Then below the name is the address of the place you're applying to.
Okay, I think I've got this right. I gave them a call and they told me to send my cover letter and CV to Miss Carol Thompson.
Oh, that's great. Begin the main part of the letter by simple greetings such as, Dear Miss Thompson. Then start the first paragraph by showing your interest in the position you're applying for and where you saw the job advertisement.
Oh, I've got that here as well. Do you think it is okay for me to say that I am currently an international student?
Yeah, sure. All right then, next paragraph. You can focus on highlighting your potential and skills that would make you the right candidate for the job. For example, how good you are at dealing with customers.
Okay, I think I know what you mean. Let me write it down.
And in the following paragraph, you should talk about your personality, such as being hardworking or being able to communicate well with others.
Okay, noted. And the final part is to tell them how to contact me if they are interested in learning more about me, right?
Yes, that's right. Remember, this job is for students like us, so don't worry too much about not having prior working experience or anything. Plus, your English is great already.
Thank you, Jen. That's very nice of you. I was actually worried because English isn't my first language. I'll look at these notes again and finish this cover letter tonight. And I'll work on my CV later.
Good luck, and let me know if you need any help.
Unit 31, Part B, Activity 2B. Listen to Jenny having an interview for the barista job. As you listen, make a note of Jenny's answers in your notebook.
Hello, Channy. It's nice to meet you.
Hello, Mrs. Thompson. Thank you for seeing me.
So, you are interested in working as a barista in our coffee shop. Why have you decided to apply for this job?
Well, I would like to get some work experience here. I'm studying at the moment, but I'm hardworking and I like to be busy. I also enjoy working with people and it would be very good for practicing my English.
Okay, Channy. Those sound like good reasons. Do you have any work experience for this job? For example, have you served food and drinks before?
I haven't worked in a coffee shop before, but in Cambodia, I used to help my mom on her market stall. She sells fruit and vegetables, so I'm used to dealing with customers and to handling cash. Also, I love coffee, so I'm interested in learning how to make it.
Okay, that sounds good, Channy. We can train you to make the drinks, so that's fine. Do you have any other experience that would be useful in this job?
I expect that I will have to keep the work areas clean. I've always helped to keep our family home clean.
Okay, Channy. I'd like to know how you would describe yourself. What do you think are your best qualities?
Well, I'm hardworking, as I said before. I like having things to do. I'm punctual and reliable. And I think I'm a calm person. I don't get stressed if things go wrong. I'm also very cooperative. I enjoy working in a team.
Well, that's what we're looking for, Chani. You sound like a confident person. Are you ambitious?
Yes, I think so. I would like to do well in the future for myself and my family.
What would you like to do after you graduate?
I would like to have my own business. I think perhaps in tourism, or maybe even open my own hotel.
Can you be flexible with the times that you work?
Yes, of course. I have to attend classes, but I have some mornings and afternoons free. And I can work evenings and at the weekend.
All of our employees are students, so that will be fine. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, when does the job start?
Well, we need someone as soon as possible. If I offer you the job, can you start on Saturday morning?
Yes, I can.
Well, Chani, in that case, I'm happy to offer you the job. Welcome to the team.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Mrs. Thompson.
See you at 8 a.m. on Saturday morning.